Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the broken, the melted ends, as you can see on airbag. If the car was in a collision and the driver's side, the steering wheel airbag went off, most likely, it is very likely, 90% of the time, that the wire ends, those plastic clips right here, they will be melted. And in order to replace those, you have to buy the whole cork spring, which is pretty expensive, guys. It can run somewhere from 100 and probably 10-20 bucks all the way to $400-500. And we'll show you how to actually do the repair, replace those, and it will cost you only about $4-5, guys, and you can save so much money. Okay, what we're doing here, that's a Mazda 2012 Mazda 3. It's a very rare car. It comes with, you can see, with the premium leather seats and stuff, and those are the replacement airbag wires that we bought on eBay. And we got those for $4.80, guys, right here. And we'll show you how to install those and pay only less than $5 to repair your airbag instead of paying hundreds of dollars. Okay, guys, we fixed one of the wires already, one of the plugs right here. So we're going to show you on the other one, but it's identical for both. But there is no reason to waste your time watching both of them. And as you can see, those are round ones. Ours, you need to be careful which one you get, but even if you don't get the right ones, we will show you how to fix it. Now that plug right there, if you pull this thing up like that, all the way up, and you press right there the little teeth on the side, you can actually pull the yellow thing out. So you need to grab it with your fingers and you need to pull on it, okay? And the yellow thing will come out. Once you pull it out, on the back you need to open these two things towards the outside, okay, like that, okay, and you can open it, and that's where the wires are now, guys. So now you can just go ahead and with the help of a little screwdriver or a knife, you can pull them out one at a time, okay, like that, and we have them out of there now, guys. And you need to make sure how the wires are. You need to take a picture before you remove them from the original plugs, because you need to put them in the same order. Ours, when it's plugged to the airbag, it needs to be this way, so the blue one needs to be out and the white one needs to be out on the other one. Now we're going to cut the ends of those, okay, so that way we don't have to do any soldering or anything like that. So we'll make them the way they were original. Okay, now you need to peel the wire a little bit, and we'll show you need to do that with the knife, but you need to take that piece from the connector that you're installing, because it might be a little bit different, and install it so the wires can go through it, so they don't touch each other. Okay, you can see it just needs to go there like that, and push them out. Okay, now you need to strip the wire, the end of the wire. That's where we will be using the connector. We'll make the wire like that, about 5 millimeters shorter than original one, but that's not a big difference at all. It's a stationary wire, it's not moving, it's behind the airbag, so it will not have any tension on it. Okay, and you need to turn those like that so the wires don't come out. Okay, now if you get the knife, you can open that connector here, okay, the end of the wire. We'll show you on this one now how to do it. You just need to get a small knife, and you need to pry those things, okay, like that, and just pull it out, guys. What you need to do, you can see, you can just feed the wire through the hole there. Okay, and you need to use the pliers now to get it really tight there so it's not loose. Okay, it goes, you need to make sure all the wires go in, nothing sticking out. Okay, you can even use the little knife to help push them if you need to. And then with the pliers You just need to squish a little bit. Okay, almost there. And again, you need to install them in the same order that they were before, because otherwise it's a very dangerous thing. You can deploy the airbag in your face. Okay, and that's what they look like. They're ready to go now, guys. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to make sure again that you put them right, and you need to feed them through the holes there. Okay, you just push down until it locks. Okay, we'll get both of them in, and then we'll push down. Okay, you can. Those are pretty tight because they're supposed to have no play at all inside. Okay, almost there, and now you need to install that bushing spacer thing there, whatever it's called. So you need to push in a little bit, make sure it's good, locks there. Okay, like that, and now you need to close it until it clicks. Okay, you need to make sure the wires go in the holes. And now you need to get that yellow piece and just push down, guys, like that. And you need to pull it up to be open so you can install the airbag. And we're going to go ahead and install them now. All we have to do is just push down. Okay, until it locks there. Make sure it's tight, and then the other one. The original one was yellow, but in our case the yellow one will be black, this one, because the replacement is a different color. And again, you need to unlock the top piece and just push it in until it clicks, and then push the yellow piece in. Okay. Okay guys, now let's see if everything works as it's supposed to. That's the moment of the truth. Okay, let's see now. Just stand out of the way, it's a little bit spooky. Okay, we'll turn the key on. It's not deployed yet. And we had the seat belt fixed as well, you can see, guys. Okay, let's fire up. And there is no airbag light at all, guys. So it works great. Let's turn it off now. Okay, let's see if the light works. Yep, right there, as you can see, the airbag light stays on. And then it will go off, which is perfect. Everything works, guys. Okay, as you can see, that's how we fix the wires. Pretty simple procedure. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.